Is your skin feeling dull, dry, starved for nutrients? You will need this homemade tiger nut oil to transform your skin texture. So in today's video, I'm going to show you two easy methods on how to extract oil from tiger nut milk. So to make this tiger nut milk oil, you will need just a tiger nut and water. So you need to start by washing the tiger nut to remove any dirty. Then when you're done washing the tiger nut, soak it in water for at least for 12 to 24 hours to soften them. So after about 24 hours, you can notice that the tiger nuts have doubled in size. Drain, put the tiger nut into a blender, add fresh water and blend until smooth. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to be using a chiffon cloth to sieve to get the tiger nut milk. So while sieving, I'll be adding some water to get enough milk from the tiger nuts. When I'm done sieving, I'm going to leave the tiger nut milk in a bowl, cover it for some hours so that the oil will settle. So pour the milk into a pan, heat on a low heat. You can stir from time to time until the water evaporates. You can start to see the natural oil. Once you see the oil forming, leave it to cool and strain to get the oil. So I hope you can see how easy it is to make your tiger nut milk oil for your hair, skin. So if you want a natural soft skin, try using this tiger nut milk. You see a great change. So for the second method on how to make your tiger nut milk is so simple. Wash and dry the tiger nut before blending. Blend until smooth, then spray out to dry. So when the tiger nut has dried properly, you can now add it into a jar. Add any oil of your choice. You can choose to use coconut oil, almond oil, sunflower oil, any oil of your choice. Leave it to sit for days. So from time to time, make sure that you shake it properly. Then at the last day, I'm going to be using double boiler method to extract all the nutrients from the tiger nut into the oil. So I will place the jar into the pot of hot water, leave it to sit for about 5 minutes, then bring it out, sieve to get the oil. So you can see that tiger nut milk is not only for drinking. You can also turn your tiger nut milk into tiger nut oil, which is good for your skin and hair. So I hope that you will try this and let me know how your skin feels.